How to make money online from home, even if you're anywhere in the world. If this is what you're looking for, then you're at the right place. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh, and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing, and a lot more. So there are different ways with which you can make money online from home. And in this video, I'll be telling you my exact strategy, what I personally follow, and I'll not be telling you some different method which I do not use. But in online world, if you want to make money online, there are different methods. You could do drop shipping, you could do blogging, you could do YouTube, you could do so many things. You could do print on demand. The strategy which I'll be telling you about, that is known as affiliate marketing, and that is what I do as well. So in order to explain you affiliate marketing, let me just show you this particular example. So this is what is affiliate marketing. So with affiliate marketing, you are basically promoting a product which has been created by someone else, and you can call that person as merchant who has created the product. And that product could be a physical product or a digital product, and I personally use digital products to promote as an affiliate. So that person, that vendor, has created a product, and he wants that product to be presented in front of the right target audience, which are the consumers in this picture. You as an affiliate comes in between the vendor and the consumer. So your job as an affiliate is to promote that product in front of the right people who are going to be benefited by using that product which has been created by the vendor. And once you promote the product, and if someone buys that product through your affiliate link, then you make a sale. That is what we call as affiliate commission. And these affiliate commissions vary from product to product. You could find products giving you affiliate commission of $10, $20, 100, 500, 1,000. So the products are endless. So but you need to get started somewhere. So you now understand the concept of affiliate marketing. You need a product, and you need to find the people to present that product in front of them. So there are different marketplaces where you can find those products. So I'll be giving you example of couple of marketplaces which I also use. So let me just take you to the first marketplace, that is known as clickbank.com. So this marketplace consists of different categories. So you will find products in different categories. As you can see on your screen, you will find products on arts and entertainment, business, investing, computers, cooking, e-business, health and fitness, green products, home and gardening. So there are endless products. So let me just show you an example. So let's go to health and fitness. So these are all the different products under health and fitness category. And what you can do, you can grab your affiliate link, the link which will be promoting to the people, and you can grab the affiliate link by clicking on the promote button. And then once you're on this page, what you need to do, just click on generate hop links, and you will get this ugly looking link, but this is the link which is going to give you money. So this is going to be your affiliate link, and similarly you can find the affiliate links for the other products, but you need to make sure that you do your due diligence, do your research about a product which you're going to promote. You just need to see that product is a right fit. If the product is good, if the product is being promoting, people are finding it helpful, then only promote that particular product. And let me just tell you one more thing. This affiliate marketing is not a get rich scheme overnight. You're not going to make money overnight. You do not expect that you're going to get thousands of dollars in your sleep if you start a business today. No, it is not going to happen that way. You need to put in the work. You need to find the right product. You need to find the right audience, and you need to build that relationship with the audience. And once people are gonna buy that product from you, then only you're going to make that commission. So you have to put in the work. That's the main thing. That's the point which I wanted to tell you. So as I told you, you can just find the products from Clickbank in any niche of your choice. And the other marketplace where you can find different digital products is known as Warrior Plus. So this marketplace consists of products in make money online internet marketing niche, where people are launching products which are info based, which are trainings on a particular topic, or there you will also find some softwares which people can use in their business. So these are the two marketplaces which I highly recommend you. If you're just starting out, just pick up the products from these marketplaces. So now you have got one piece of the puzzle. You have find the product for yourself. Now what next? You need to find the audience, and you can find the traffic or the audience on different places like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. But I suggest you to get started with Facebook. So let's say you are going to promote product from health and fitness category, and so on Facebook, what you need to do, you can just create a group for yourself. Let me just show you something. So let's find health and fitness on Facebook, and you will see what I mean. So you will get all these search results for health and fitness. What you can do, just go into groups on the left hand side. So that will show you all the groups related to health and fitness. And what you have to do, you need to create a group for yourself. So if you don't know how to create a Facebook group, I've got a video on my channel which you can just search on my channel, or I'll also give a link to that video in the description below. That will teach you how you can create a Facebook group for yourself. So this is the video which I'm talking about, how to create a Facebook group for business. So once you have got created a Facebook group for yourself, then what you have to do, basically you need to put in the content in that group. You need to add people in that group, and how you can do that, you can do that by joining the other groups in the same health and fitness category. So these are the different groups which are there. As you can see, health and fitness tips, this has got 15,000 members, Delhi NCR fitness trainers and all 9.7 thousand members. So you need to find the groups with a lot many people, and you need to join those groups. And by joining the group, it doesn't mean that you have to put your link which you got from your product in the group. No, you are not supposed to do that, and it is not going to work like that. Basically, you need to answer the questions which people are asking in that group, and you need to be that helpful person out there. And then you have to create a content for your group as well. And how you can do that, you will find for each and every product, you will also get these affiliate pages, these affiliate tools. Let me just open one of them. So as you can see, this is the resources page for the affiliates, where you will find all the information about the product. So as you can see, you have this information about 3 reasons you should promote the Okinawa flat belly tonic. You have the swipes. As you can see, you will get the email swipes from here. You will get the resources for Facebook, like Facebook ad headline options. But you can use these headlines in your group and post tips related to this particular product. Like if this product is going to help people to lose weight, then you can start posting tips on losing weight, and you can use these headlines. And similarly, you can find other products and you will find email swipes, you will find articles which you can just use on your Facebook group. And basically, you should come across as a helpful person out there in the group, and not only in your group but in the other groups as well which you join. And you need to consistently post content on your Facebook group, and be that helpful person in the other groups. and you need to start building that relationship with people. You need to start interacting with people on Messenger and see what problem they're facing. If they are, there you will find, let's say for example, in health and fitness, you'll find people who will tell you that, okay, I've been trying to lose weight for 6 months but I haven't lost it, and I've tried so many things. Then you can understand their problem and see how you can help them through your product which you are promoting. So interact with people, understand their problem, build that relationship, and then suggest the solution which you have got as your product. So this is how the affiliate marketing works, and this is the best way, the easiest way for you to get started, and you do not need any other tool to get started with. So this is the best way for you to make some money from online from your comfort of your home. And if you follow this consistently, you can slowly build up as an affiliate marketing business for yourself, where it will give you recurring commission, it will give you commissions on daily basis. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you got some value, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, I'll give a link to a course on affiliate marketing which you can check it out. And thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you again in my next video. Cheers.